This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
Okay, so of course we are using the volumes quite a bit, storage, volumes, and all this good stuff. My question is, what are persistent volumes and why we use them?
All right, so persistent volumes are like the storage resource for the Kubernetes cluster, and they are used to store data in a way that's independent of pod lifecycles. So suppose like the pod can die anytime. So the persistent volume will be storing the data. Doesn't matter if the pod is dying and we are creating new pod, the data will be safe, like separate from the pod lifecycle. So that's why you use the persistence volume.
Okay, so now with that questions I have so can you just explain a pod, describe a pod and its lifecycle then?
Yeah, sure. So pod is the smallest deployable unit in the Kubernetes. It's capable of containing one or more containers. The pod lifecycle includes like pending, running, succeeded, fail, or like unknown phases. So those are like different phases of a pod lifecycle.
Sure. So okay, you said which application did you actually deploy?
We used FFM, Field Force Management.
So can you walk me through one of the service on this perspective with the pod lifecycle? Walk me through one of the service with the pod lifecycle.
Can we come back to this question later on?
Yeah. Okay.